There you are.
Hi, you ready to get loud, boy?
Yeah. Here's good. Oh, all right.
This my shit. Oh, tell her you're not my bitch. This my shit. Oh, tell her get off my dick. Digi dash, nitro gas. Time is passing, quick. I just want tonight to last. Life go fast, it tick.
That is the last time that it's gonna sound like that. There is a Corsa Sport exhaust, a whole catback that's going on this car today. I've had this exhaust for like a month, but I haven't had a single day of free time to install it. I was wanting to get Zoe finished with the Pro Charger kit so I could use the garage to install it, but I got impatient and Gavin was kind enough to let me use his shop so I could install it today. So huge thanks to Gavin for letting me use his shop. That's awesome. Go follow him right here. I think it's right here. Also, huge thanks to Corsa for sending this exhaust because this is gonna be awesome. I am so excited for this because I've been so tired of driving with a stock exhaust on this car. So anyways, let's quit wasting time and let's go install it. Oh, the camera's not focused, bruh. There you are.
Hi, you ready to get loud, boy?
Yeah, as loud as I can get with this exhaust.
Oh wait, this is the wrong one. I was gonna wear my Corsa shirt today, but then
I'm wearing a SK hoodie, so I mean that's kind of close.
Close enough.
Yeah.
Let's do this thing.
Can you pull me forward?
Yeah, I got you, bro.
Don't hit, please don't hit. All right. Well. So now what Doug would probably crucify me for, I've had this exhaust for, like I said, about a month and just haven't opened it. It's literally just been sitting here at the door. So let's get this thing open. And my hair is fucked now. Sweet. Definitely should have done this before I put the GoPro on. I almost forgot to do the most important part of an exhaust install. Like, I gotta get a clip of it before so we can do a sound comparison after. Sounds pretty meaty, right?
Yeah, it sounds pretty good for a stomp car. Yeah. Decently quiet at idle.
So that is the stock sound for the car. Now we can put on the Corsa exhaust. You getting those loose?
Yeah. Those are already like hand loose.
Ooh, yeah, this is warm. The process of removing the stock exhaust, as instructed by Corsa, is you just loosen the clamp right in front of the resonator, and then you unbolt these hangers right here, and then after that, you slide the exhaust backwards to separate it, and then you just angle the front down and slide it forward to get these hangers disconnected from the exhaust. So, shouldn't be super complicated. Theoretically, should be pretty simple. This is almost the first mod to the car.
What was the first mod?
The first mod was a shift knob.
Oh, that's right.
That's the only thing that's been done to it so far. Okay, so now, pick this up, slide it back. There we go. Those are disconnected. Is it still hot?
It's a little toasty, but you get a good minute out of the gloves.
All right, well, you ready? We just gotta push it back.
Push it back.
Yep. That's a little tough. How much room do we have? Well, these hangers are like maxed out with how far back they can go. I wish we could just want to like rotate it.
I know. There you go. Yeah, whatever you're just doing.
Just gotta separate it. All right, well, we can try that.
Oh, it's wanting to. Oh, there it goes. Give it a good old smack.
Right here?
Yeah. Okay, that's a bad idea. Look at how far in this goes.
I'm about to just unbolt the hangers back here.
Yeah, fuck it.
Wow, this is a very painful spot to do this.
Yeah.
Getting some good burn. Holy Jesus, my freaking thumb burns.
You want to switch for a second?
Sure.
Oh, I see what you mean by your thumb.
Yeah, you gotta use like just one finger to do it.
Rotate out! It's a nice little forearm workout there.
Yeah. Tag teaming this thing. Oh, there's 2 bolts.
Oh. I'm sorry, Daniel. I scratched your stock muffler.
Oh, damn.
So sorry about that. So sorry, I'm new to cars.
I was hoping to use them. Drop the front, pull that forward. That's one. Still got it?
Yep, I got it.
Okay. Let's go back here. Yeah, right here's good. Oh, that's the stock exhaust. Hell yeah, nice. So now, wow, these come off great. That's beautiful.
Oh man.
Can you put those on that one? I'll put these back up where they go.
That is so refreshing. I've never had hangers come off that easy.
Yeah, me neither. First thing we gotta do for this is put these on.
Okay.
The little reducers.
And do we go ahead and...
Slide in there. We got the clamps. You reuse the stock ones.
You're not gonna use these?
You don't use them.
Really?
I think you reuse the stock ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, you reuse the stock ones for the front. And then you use the clamps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we got the X pipe after that. Whoa. Whoa. So since we're doing an exhaust, you got to do the whole, you know, the thing where you start it with no exhaust on.
Yeah.
Just to see what it sounds like.
I was about to ask if you were gonna do that, but I didn't want to be a bad influence.
No, I'll do it. Gavin's here.
Hello.
Hello. Howdy, feller.
Wow, y'all are making very quick progress.
Yeah, it was kind of a pain at first because it couldn't
You said
get.
you were gonna text me and let me know when you were on your way here, and then you never did. And
I'm
so I
s-
was like, oh, Daniel's doing that Daniel thing. And so I show up here to come help, and you're almost done.
Damn, I'm sorry. Actually, we literally just got this off. We fought with the stock exhaust for a while, so you didn't miss much. It was just us.
I like your
The
whatever
microphone
the
thing.
fuck.
Yeah, you actually here just in time. I was about to start it with the open cats.
Oh wow.
Yeah, because we always hear open headers, but we don't ever hear open cats.
Damn, y'all all had that much longer then. Y'all trying to go to lunch after this?
Fuck yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
What the hell was that?
Oh, there's wood. It's wood.
That's why we check if everything's clear under the lift before we go down.
Well, I mean, nobody touched the wood, so I guess that's my fault for not checking. Is it good now?
Yes, you're clear.
Here we go.
Wait. You want me to film with your camera?
I don't see why not. Y'all ready? Yeah! Yeah, there we go.
Atlas time. Oh, that sounds awesome. It sounds like a Corvette. Yeah, it does.
You sound like a 2006 Chevy truck with cowboy tips poking out the sides and straight pipe.
Honestly, you're right. That actually doesn't sound bad.
No, it doesn't. You're gonna end up putting just turned down right in the...
Hey man, don't tempt me. I'll get cutouts on this thing. That actually does not sound as bad as I thought it would.
Oh, that sounds pretty great, dude. You have the loudest truck at Sonic.
All right.
Okay.
Definitely did not mean to do that. Forgot they were on there. You can just get them on there so that way they don't come back off for now. And we will adjust it later.
You're definitely gonna want to impact for those.
These do be a little bit hard to turn.
Yeah.
Nobody tell Doug I'm using his impact.
My ears, just tighten it.
Yeah, something ain't right.
It shouldn't be cross thread.
Yeah, we just pulled this out of the bag.
Yeah, that's straight out the bag. It was already on.
You go backwards now. Oh, well, I definitely didn't mean to do that.
It's nice because I can literally just stand upright with this on my head. It's like the perfect height to hold it up.
Okay, ears. Oh, that's retard alert. Jesus Christ. Leave me alone, man.
I got about one more squeeze on that clamp and then I'm switching spots with you.
Switch spots with me.
Hang on. Loud there.
Are we winning, son? Oh, that was a lot better.
To the right,
Alright,
to the right, to the right, not the left, to the...
Come on, impacto installo.
Wait,
Install
did
a-
you make sure?
On, go the right direction.
It is. It's,
Okay,
Alright.
I trust you. How's the weather out there? It should not be. It's not even like.
It's super cross-threading.
It's highly unfortunate. Where's the half-inch?
Oh my God, Daniel said we're not playing.
Let me see that ratchet.
The ratchet?
Yeah.
There you go, buddy.
It's good now. I don't know why the impact couldn't get it.
I'm gonna tell Doug that
Because, yep, I was about to say it's just because it's cobalt.
If I had my Milwaukee.
Honestly, though,
That's right.
you don't want to know what a half-inch Milwaukee would have done to that shit. It would have been game over.
All right, now we got these things.
I feel like cars get horrified horrified when they see Milwaukee Bulls come out. They're like,
I would.
God. Oh wait, we should probably do
There's
that.
gotta be another way, son.
Please, I have kids.
I'm just a boy. Okay, you gotta put the back hanger in first.
Mm-hmm.
As he was about to not do that.
Where's the fucking 13?
Look, see, like all this is drooping. You have to hold that and push that. You're letting the mid pipe fall. Hold that up, so.
Well, I'm trying to get this so I can at least get this ready to tighten it. Okay. Is that good?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. No, that's good.
Muffler numero dos.
Dose?
Dos Equis.
No, we're not drinking beer. We're putting exhaust on. Oh my God. So much aggression.
Nope. There you go. Buddy.
Wait, where's the...
Thank you. Grab one.
Where's the what? Oh.
There's no clamp on it.
Disappointed shop teacher.
You ain't gotta be what you're good for. Fuck, never mind. Forget I started talking. Well, you looking good right there?
We'll just tighten it just to mock it. I'll say what I mean.
I will lift this up for you.
So make sure you're still pushing the X pipe up.
Let me loosen it and double check that.
Trying to help you get some ground clearance.
Go for it, Daniel.
Okay, all right.
Oh.
The tippy tips.
Oh, those look really good.
Ooh.
In my opinion, honestly, Corsa may have some of the best tips. These black chrome tips are, in my opinion, dead serious the best tips on the market.
Very true. They look great. And one of the cool things about this car compared to Gavin's is that it came stock before, where Gavin had to cut his.
Oh, really?
Finally, it's actually a cool Mustang now. Mustang ain't a cool Mustang without a Corsa on it. I've been waiting to see how one of these sounds with cats and stock headers, because the only one I've heard so far has had headers and has been straight piped.
Is this the Sport?
Yes, 'tis a Sport.
All right, Doodle Bop. Let's hear this thing.
All right.
Oh, look at those tips, boy. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Oh. Yeah. That idle is so much louder.
That sounds pretty good.
Sheesh.
That is Corsa power.
Yes, sir.
Like perfect.
Let me hear it. So here we are, a few days later. Actually, not even a few days later. I think I looked at it, it's 15 days later. Exactly 15 days later, right over 2 weeks. And the reason for that is because what you heard before was the exhaust the very first day it was installed. I believe that exhausts actually have a break-in period. So now here it is, more than 2 weeks later, and we're gonna see if the exhaust sounds any different. One place that this exhaust has made the car so much better is actually cold starts in the morning. Before, I know I complained like every single video that you saw me starting in the morning, I was complaining about the stock exhaust being too quiet, and it was way too quiet. It was honestly disappointing, but that's been fixed. Now, let's let the car warm up and let's go for a drive. I'll let you hear what it sounds like now, 2 weeks later, after the exhaust is broken in. I think the exhaust is actually still breaking in. It's probably still gonna get a little bit louder over the next week or two as I drive it, but the whole point of this was just to show you that it does in fact actually get louder than the first day that you install it. So, yeah, let's go for a drive. So one thing that's really good about this exhaust compared to the stock one is that it actually resonates a lot better, especially like even the echo. Whenever you're driving next to some buildings, you can hear it a lot better than you could with the previous exhaust, not just because it's louder, but it's just got an exhaust sound that travels a little bit more. The exhaust has definitely been made to
sound good for daily driving. I've noticed that. So like between 2,000 and 3,000 RPM, it is slightly louder than anything above 3,000 RPM. But then again, the car also still has stock cats on the car and stock headers. So I'm sure that once you get long tube headers, it'll actually open up a lot more once it gets above 3,000 RPM. But for now, it sounds great in that specific RPM range. So whenever you're driving every day, it's extremely pleasant. So now I'll go ahead and let you hear it a bit more higher up. Well, and then of course it's just windy, so you can't hear anything after that. I've also noticed that after I put this exhaust on, I found myself downshifting a whole lot more in the car. Overall, what are my thoughts on the exhaust? Well, for one, for me and who I am, if you know about my other car, Zoe the 350Z, who actually just got pro-charged recently and has a full titanium exhaust, it's a pretty obnoxious car, which is what I'm used to. So this being a Corsa Sport versus a Corsa Extreme and also still having cats on the car, it's a little bit quiet for me and my personal taste. But I'm not a fan of something that's just absolutely so obnoxious and loud to where nobody even wants to listen to it. Corsa Sport, that was the first touch towards the car going in the direction that I wanted to go, because it was a very nice quality exhaust. Quality is literally the only word I can think of to describe the Corsa Sport. There's the Corsa Extreme, which is extremely aggressive and much louder, but whenever you're looking for quality specifically, that is the Corsa Sport. Some people would describe it even as loud and louder, whereas like, I mean, it's not inaccurate. It definitely makes sense, but this is by no means like loud. I wouldn't call this a loud exhaust. Unless you're on the outside of it, then it might actually be loud. But to the driver, it's not that bad. But anyways, I actually really thoroughly enjoy this exhaust. It's been extremely pleasant. It was actually super easy to install. It was harder for me to remove the stock exhaust than it was for me to install the Corsa exhaust, and the Corsa exhaust was in multiple pieces. One of the cool things about this exhaust also is the fact that if you want to, I don't encourage it, but if you want to, you can drive the car really hard and you're not gonna piss anybody off with the volume of it. Like it sounds good. It's not loud. It doesn't echo off of every tree around. It doesn't like break windows or make little kids cry. I mean, it's kind of like one of those things where you hear it and you're like, oh, that sounded pretty good. So yeah, overall, it's a good exhaust. It's a great exhaust, actually. I really enjoy it. If you have the option to put a Corsa exhaust on your car, I am going to recommend it. Hands down, no doubt. Corsa, it's a little bit pricey, but it's worth it. Quality is something that comes with a price tag, not volume. You can get volume real cheap, real cheap, but you're not gonna get the same quality. That is my review of my new Corsa exhaust. With that being said, guys, hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, leave a thumbs up on this video. If it wasn't, then I mean, comment down below and I'll try and answer any more questions that you have. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel because we have a lot of stuff coming up with this car and the 350Z I mentioned earlier. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna make a lot of noise. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you next time.